Good morning, dear students. In the previous video, we have solved some exercise problems. So today we will continue that exercise. That is exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Fourth minute. Starting from minus 1 into 5, minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. Starting from minus 1 into 5, we have to start one pattern from here, so that we start from minus 1 into 5. Write various products. So depending upon this pattern, we have to write the various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Up to here, we have to write the pattern. So we have to start from here. So minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Clear? So minus 1. So we can observe here, this minus 1 will remain as it is constant. So this number will decreasing. So because we have a minus 1, we already know the number line. If we move from 0 to left side, we will get a lesser value. So as we move from 0 to left side on the number line, so we will get a lesser value. We have to move towards the lesser value. So here we have 5. Here we have 5. So we have to move like this. Left side we have to move 4, 3, 2, like that we have to check. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Clear? So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Up to here we have to write. So minus 1 into, so after 1, what we have on the left side of the number line? 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Then after minus 1 into minus 1. So we know after 0 to the left side, we have minus 1 here. So we have moved from 5 to the left of this number line. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 after minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. We already know how to multiply the sign. So minus into minus is plus. 1 multiplied to 1 is 1 itself. This is how we can write the various products showing minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. Then we have started from minus 1 into 5. Clear? Next, we move to the next main. Fifth main. Find the product using suitable properties. We have to find out the product using suitable properties. First one. So 26 into minus of 48 plus of minus 8 into minus 36. Minus 36. So we can observe here. We have to remember one property. So A into B plus A into C, A into B plus A into C, A into B plus A into C. Here A refers to a repeating number. So which number is repeating here? Minus 48 is remaining. Minus 48. In this product also we have minus 48. In this product. So in this product also we have minus 48. In between those two products we have an addition sign. So therefore we can write this as, so A into B plus C, A into B plus C. This is the distributive property. Which property is this? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition, like this. So this part is given here. So we have to write this one. So how can we write? So A means minus 48. So minus 48. One more thing you have to keep in your mind is, so both are having minus sign or not, you have to check. So both are having 48, 48. This both are having minus sign. So we can write minus 48. If one is having plus, another one is having minus, then we can't write minus outside. So clear? So minus 48 into, so what is remaining in this product? So 26 is remaining. 26 is remaining plus of C is minus 36. Minus 36. So we can simplify now. So minus 48 we can write as it is into, you know how to put the bracket, 26 plus into minus is minus 36. So we can write this as equal to minus 48 into 26 minus 36. 26 minus 36 is minus 10. We know already how to subtract, because so these two integers are having opposite sign. So we have to subtract. From 36 if we subtract 26 we will get 10. This greater number is having minus sign, therefore we will put minus. So we know how to multiply 48 with 10. So it will become 480. Since minus repeat 2 times, so even number of times if minus repeats you get a positive integer. Clear? This is how we can find out the product by using suitable property. So which property is applicable, that we have to think about it. Second one. Fifteen into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10 into minus 10. So we can, in between all the integers we have a multiplication symbol, right? So multiplication symbol. So we can use this property A into B into C into D, A into B into C into D. So whichever integer we can group. So 15 we can multiply this 15 with minus 10. 15 into minus 10 into, so minus 24 25 into minus 4. Can I write like this? I have grouped these two. 15 into minus 10 into 25 into minus 25 into minus 2. Clear? So 15 into 10 is minus, we will get minus 2 plus is minus, but 15 into 10 is 150 into, so minus and minus is plus 25 4s are 100. So if you multiply 150 with 100 you get, so minus 15,000. Minus 15,000. This is how we can simplify. So 15 and 10 are grouped here. So if we group these two, the multiplication process will become easier. So in any manner we can multiply. We can multiply with 15 with 25 or 4 with 10. In that manner also we can multiply. But it is very easier to find the product with 15 and 10 and 25 with 4. That's why we have grouped like this. Clear? Next. Third one, 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 2. This is also a distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus C. A into B minus C equals A into B minus C equals A into B minus A into C. A into C. So A into B minus C. This part is given. So we have to write this part, the RHS part. So instead of writing A into B minus C, we can write A into B minus A minus C. So here A means 7. So A into B is 7 into 50. 7 into 50 minus A into C is again it is 7 multiplied to 2. 7 into 2. Clear? Next. 7 into 50 is 350. You can multiply like this. 7 into 50. 7, 0, 7 is 0. 7 3 is 35. So minus 40. Minus 14. We can subtract now. 336 unit. 336. You know how to subtract it. Clear? This is how we can find out the products using suitable properties. So one more problem will solve. Fourth one. 625 into minus 35 plus of minus 625 into 65. Again, this is also a distributive property, but we should be very careful here because this 625 and this 625 doesn't have same sign. Therefore, we write 625. 625, not minus 625. Clear? So after that, into. So what is remaining here? Minus 35 is remaining here, plus minus 35. In this product, 65, 625 we have removed. So minus 35 will remain. So plus off. So minus is here. We have not removed this minus outside. So minus 65 is remaining here. 65 in right. Here. So 625 into minus 35 plus into minus is minus. So 65. Here. So 625 into. So both are adding minus sign. We can add these two with the same sign minus 100. 35 plus 65 is 100. So this will become so minus. Because we have minus here, minus into plus is minus 6,000. 62,500. 62,500. 6,625 into 100. So 625 ones are 625. Clear? So how many zeros are there? We put the bunch of zeros with a negative sign. Clear? Next way. We'll go to the next way. In a class test, containing 10 questions. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. And minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. And 0 for questions not attempted. So in a class test, containing ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ? 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. ಪ್ರತಿಯಾದ ಸರಿ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ 5 marks ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. and minus 2 marks ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? -2 2 marks ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? for every incorrect answer. ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 marks ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. and marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಟೆಂಡೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? In that sub question we have Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So Mohan ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. 4 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 6 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್? ಮೋಹನ್ ನ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ score of correct answer. Score of correct answer. Correct answer ನ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 4 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. 4 into ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್? 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 4 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 4 into 5 equals 20 marks. 20 marks. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 20 marks. Score of incorrect answer. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವನು ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 6 into ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? -2 ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ -2 6 into -2 6 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವನು ತಪ್ಪು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 6 into -2 equals -12. then so ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Mohan's total score equals 20 plus of minus 12. 20 plus of minus 12 equals 20 plus into minus minus 12 is equal to 20 minus 12 is 8 marks. So what is the Mohan score? 8 marks. Clear? So one more sub question we have here. Let us know how to solve. Second one. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ 5 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೇಷ್ಮಾನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ score of correct answers. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ನೀಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 5 into ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 5 into 5 is 25 marks. 25 marks ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಆಫ್ incorrect answer. ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರ? 5 ಗೆ 5 into ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? -2. 5 into -2 is -10 marks. -10. So Reshma total score. ರೇಷ್ಮಾನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? equals 25 plus of -10 equals 25 plus into minus is -10. 25 minus 10 equals 15 marks. So what is the total marks of Reshma? 15 marks. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 15 marks. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 25 ಇತ್ತು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು? ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಪ್ಪು ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ -2 ನಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು, 2 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? -2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ತರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ So question 3. So Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. Out of 7 questions, she attempts. What is her score? What is her score? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. ಎರಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ Hina ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 7. 7 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? 3 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್? 0 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 score of correct answers, score of correct answers equals to ಎರಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕೈಲಾದ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 10 marks 2 into 5 is 10. So score of incorrect answers equals ಎಷ್ಟು 5. So 5 into ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -10 marks. So total score of Ina is equal to 10 plus of -10. So 10 plus into minus is minus 10 minus 10 is 0 marks. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Ina ಗಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 0 because ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 10 ಆಯಿತು, ತಪ್ಪು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -10 ಆಯಿತು. when the integers are same they are opposite in sign, so the answer will remain 0. Clear? Next, next one. We'll move to the next one. So replace the blank. Replace the blank with an integer to make it is a true statement. To replace the blank ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ with an replace the blank ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು replace ಅಂದ್ರೆ with an integer ಇಂದ to make it a true statement ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ನಾವು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ -3 into dash equals 27. So it is a multiplication question. So -3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮರೆತು ಬಿಡೋಣ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ. ಸೊ 3 ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡೋಣ. 3 multiplied to which number is 27? 3 multiplied to which number? 3 9s are 27. 3 to 9 is 27. Clear? So now let us think about sign. So what is the sign here? Plus. We already know when we multiply negative with negative will get positive, or positive with positive will get positive. Here this is a question, we can't change it, but we can change this, right? So if we put minus for this also, we will get a plus here. Clear? So minus into minus is plus. 3 9s are 27. That is how we can replace the blank. So here the blank is for -9. Second one, 5 into dash equals -35. So 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. So what about sign of 35 minus? We can't put minus for this, so we can put minus for this. Clear? So plus into minus is minus. So third one, dash into -8 equals 56 minus 56. So 8 multiplied to which number is 56? 7. Yeah. We should write minus here. No, if we write minus here, then what will happen? See, minus into minus to plus. There is no plus sign here. Here we have minus. Therefore, we will leave 7 as it is for plus. Okay. So plus into minus is minus. If there is a minus plus here, we have to put a minus for this. 7 8 are 56. So sign also we are getting now. Plus into minus is minus. Next we move to the next exercise. That is exercise 1.4. 1.4. Exercise 1.4. First main. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. So this exercise is mainly depends on the division concept. Depends on the division concept. So we already know how to multiply the signs. Clear? We don't know how to divide the signs. So if there is a minus, any integer here, minus a by b, I take number 1, minus 2 by minus 1. Minus 2 by minus 1. See, in numerator and denominator both are having minus. Right? So if you have minus in both numerator and denominator, we will get the plus value in the resulting integer. If you are getting an integer, okay? So minus by minus is plus. As in the case of multiplication, it will follow the same rule in the division also. So minus by minus is plus. Minus by plus is also minus. Plus by minus is minus. Plus by plus is also plus. In multiplication process also we have same rule, right? So minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. Here also in division process also minus by minus is plus, minus by plus is minus. When we are opposite sign we will get minus. That thing you have to keep in your mind. When we are opposite sign in the numerator and denominator, when we are opposite sign, so minus plus means minus will get. Plus minus also will get minus itself. When we have same sign, whether it is plus or minus, we will get plus. Clear? That thing you have to keep in your mind for these exercise problems. Now, so what is our first question? Let's see. Our first question is minus 30 divided by 10 divided by 10. So can we write this as minus 30 divided by 10? Yes, we can write it as already told you. So this 10 is a positive integer. Is a positive integer. There is no sign here. That means it is a positive integer. It's understood. So minus by plus is minus 10. We can divide. We know how to divide these numbers. 10 ones are 10 3s are. So minus 3. The denominator 1 is remaining, so need not to write. Again, if we divide from 1 to 3, we get a 3. Clear? Second one. So 50 by minus 5 equals. So can we write this as 50 by minus 5? 50 by minus 5 plus by minus is minus, plus divided by minus is minus. 5 ones are 5. 10. So minus 10 will be. Clear? Do you understand? Next. C. minus 36 by minus 9. Minus 36 by minus 9. So minus by minus is plus, you cannot write minus and minus will get cancelled here. Okay? So 9 comes up, 9 4s are. So 4 plus 4 here. Next, minus 49 by 49. Minus 49 by 49. So minus 49 by divided by 49. So minus by plus is minus, 49 ones are, right? So 1. This is how we can find out or evaluate this man using the division of signs. Clear? So in this exercise, we should know how to divide and how to write the symbol when we divide minus by plus or plus by minus or minus by minus. So in the next video, we will continue this exercise sum or problems. Clear?